Angelique. I enjoyed looking at your piece. I came up with a couple suggestions. Okay, so this was a nice way to bring the viewer in. Kind of look like a heartbeat. I thought escape could look faster, like it's actually running away. Um, just think of it as just taking off quickly. I don't know. And I also noticed the letters are too narrow. So you want to hold down the shift key unless they're actually being stretched as an animation. A normal person wouldn't notice that, but your audience here are probably art directors and you're trying to get a job. So you always want to follow that rule. That's nice. I love that. It's a great idea. Can you animate this image? Have it do an animated mask? That might be interesting because you could do this, plus you could also bring in like a Roman sculpture face and have it travel across the letters. Something to consider. I know it's a lot of work. Swim, I thought, there's presets that look like water. That's so much easier and it will do all the work for you. And I thought, oh, I thought this was so nice. I love this. I thought this was the best part of your piece. What I would do is keep that on the screen just a little bit longer. It disappears very quickly. Very satisfying. And that's very nice too, but again, the type here is distorted. And you could also animate those stripes too. I know that's too much. But hold down the shift key. If you have to stack these, that might be what you have to do because or just make them half that size. So what is it going to show you here? Preview the presets. Kimberly did us all a huge favor by posting that. All right, so give us some water. The organic section has, come on, did I not press it? Okay. Yeah, so let's see. Seems to be where you want to go here. This loose line sort of looks like water, Sort of looks like you're on a boat. Ocean tide seems to do the same thing, but a little faster. Seasick is doing the job for me. So look at these. There's a lot. That whole batch here looks a little more like water. Even wind current might be something you want to use because it's so relaxing. Anyway, I think you're, well on your way. You've got a nice piece.